everyone, welcome back to Lots of Yum for You. It's me, Chef Connie, and today we are going to make some garlic, pink salt, and pepper dry rub, but crispy and delicious chicken wings, oven baked chicken wings. So I am ready to get down to making some deliciousness, and yes, I'm in a new kitchen, a new house, yay! And but I'm still here to bring you the same yummy and deliciousness that you're used to. So let's dive right into this video and make something to eat. Hi everyone. Well, I am back and ready with the ingredients and how to prepare all this deliciousness. So I have pepper, garlic powder, pink salt, and a little bit of paprika. And I will put all the ingredients in the description box. First thing we're going to do is prepare a pan. So it's up to you. You can either use a, let me move this over. It's up to you. You can use a flat pan. I actually have this grill pan, and I'm going to line the bottom with foil. And then I'm going to spray our rack with cooking spray. Okay, so now our pan is prepared. And now I'm going to take a separate bowl and mix in our pink salt, pepper, garlic powder, and our little bit of paprika. I'm going to mix these together in this bowl. And there we go. So I've got all these dry ingredients mixed together. And now I'm going to take the chicken and place the chicken in this Ziploc bag. And I have the chicken, I cut the chicken wings out, so I have this part and the drumettes, okay? And I'm just gonna put all this into the bag. I don't want to get my hands super dirty. So we'll get all this into the bag. Okay, now that the bag is ready and we have all the chicken in the bag, I'm going to pour some olive oil into the bag. And then I'm going to zip the bag and make sure that all the pieces are covered with olive oil. Now that all of our pieces are covered with olive oil, we're going to open the bag and pour in our dry rub. Zip the bag, let out some of the air in the bag, zip the bag, and then make sure that all the pieces are covered with the spices. Now that all of our pieces are covered with our dry rub, we're going to bring the pan back over, our prepared pan. And we're going to lay the chicken on the pan. And actually, while we were preparing the chicken, I've turned the oven on to 400 degrees. So the oven is warming up to 400 degrees. We're going to place the chicken on our pre-prepared pan. This is how our chicken looks on the pan. And now that our chicken is on the pan, the oven is at 400 degrees. And I'm going to put our chicken in the oven at 400 degrees for 45 minutes. And I'll see you guys when our chicken is ready. Hi everyone, and this is 45 minutes of these delicious chicken wings baked in the oven. Look at that. Nice, delicious. So, let me close the oven. They look delicious. Look at this. Yum. So I'm gonna do the deliciousness. All delicious. You can pair these wings, especially if you're trying to lose weight. These are delicious, flavorful, yummy, great for keto, paleo. If you are doing low carb, you can have a big meal with this chicken as your protein, cucumbers, just some suggested sides, Brussels sprouts. These are oven roasted Brussels sprouts, and a fresh salad. So it's up to you, your veggie of choice, broccoli, whatever, but these chicken wings can go with so many different types of veggies. You can also dip them in ranch dressing, hot sauce, whatever your choice is. Otherwise, the seasoning on them is delicious. So let me raise the camera so we can do the deliciousness. Okay, everyone, now it's time to do our deliciousness test. So, let's see, the chicken has cooled off a little bit. Oh my goodness. You can eat it like this. The flavors are delicious. And not only are the flavors delicious, but I put some other delicious ingredients and different ingredients that you can use for this particular type of oven bake. We call it a dry rub chicken in the oven. This is delicious. The sky is the limit for the flavor and the different options. So thanks for watching. This is delicious. I look forward to seeing you guys back again soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my videos so you and your family can enjoy and watch new videos when we create more deliciousness. Bye for now.